In this lecture, we will learn how to use trim and extend command. Type trim and select trim command. Press enter. We can also select the trim command from here. Now select the sketch which we want to trim. Right click and enter. Again select trim command, but don't press enter key this time. First select sketch, then press enter. Now you can see that it will trim all the lines which intersect the selected sketch. Right click and enter. Now select extend command, press enter. Select the sketch which you want to extend. Now you can see that this command extends the sketch up to the next sketch. So this is the extend command in AutoCAD.